Hi everyone, bună tuturor and welcome back to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to say in Romanian different colors and shapes. Also, at the end of the video, you are going to find a quiz with 10 questions, and I'm going to ask you to please let me know in the comments how many you got right. Let's start. Hai să începem, and also please ensure that you repeat after me. We're going to start with the colors, and then we will have a look at the shapes. So the first one, red, in Romanian is roșu. Roșu. Yellow, galben. Galben. Blue, albastru. Albastru. This is the Romanian flag. So we've just had a look at the colors. Let's repeat them once again. So in the Romanian flag, you are going to find the following colors: roșu, galben, albastru. Roșu, galben, albastru. Roșu, galben și albastru. Then let's move on to green. In Romanian is verde. Verde. Black, negru. Negru. White, alb. Alb. Pink, roz. Roz. Orange, portocaliu. 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 Brown, maro. Maro. Purple, mauve. Mauve. Gray, gris. Gris. And some shapes. Circle, cerc. Cerc. Square, pătrat. 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 Triangle, triunghi. Triunghi. Rectangle, dreptunghi. Dreptunghi. And let's start with the quiz. So you're going to have 10 questions. Take your time to think about the answer. If you want, of course, you can pause the video. And please let me know in the comments how many you got right. So, the first question, how do you say gray in Romanian? It's quite similar to English. Gri. Gri. Question number 2, how do you say pink? Roz. roz. And yellow? Galben. Galben. Let's move on to question number 4. So, what is the Romanian word for blue? Verde, albastro, gri. So, which one is the correct one? The correct answer is B, albastro. Albastro. Question number 5. What does roșu mean in English? White, green, or red? C, red. Roșu, red. Let's move on to question number 6. What's the Romanian word for square? Pătrat. Pătrat. Question number 7, a little bit more complicated. How do you say in Romanian a white circle? So this combines a color and a shape, a white circle. Un cerc alb. Un cerc alb. Question number 8, how do you say a pink triangle? Again, it combines a color and a shape. Un triunghi roz. Un triunghi roz. Question number 9, how do you say a green rectangle? Un dreptunghi verde. Un dreptunghi verde. And the last question, so which ones are the colors that you can find in the Romanian flag? So red, yellow, and blue. It's going to be roșu, galben, albastro. Roșu, galben și albastro. Și means and. Roșu, galben și albastro. Right, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. For the moment, thank you very much. Mulțumesc frumos! Pa, pa!